Weird sound, right? Well, indeed. Let's dive in and explore how these birds, greater sage-grouse, make these strange noises. They repeatedly gulp air to inflate the bulbous yellow air sacs on their chests. They may hold up to 4 liters of air in a pouch in their esophagus. They then lunge forward, or strut, to forcefully push the air in and out, rapidly inflating and deflating the air sacs. This makes a popping sound, almost like a cork being pulled from a bottle. The sound can be heard up to a whopping 3 kilometers away.